हिंदुस्तान का जो शिक्षा का सिस्टम है उसको कैसे कैप्चर किया गया है उसके बारे में। मेन चीज़ जो हम कहना चाहते हैं कि स्टूडेंट्स की 3 डिमांड्स हैं और दीज आर नॉट नेगोशिएबल डिमांड्स, एंड दिस इज नॉट me saying it, this is the students of India saying it, that there are 3 non-negotiable demands. The first demand, pehli demand, is that the education minister, who is corrupt, incompetent, misaligned, has to be sacked. There is some talk going on. We get information these days from the government. There's some talk going on in Mr. Modi's cabinet that the solution is to move Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan from education to some other ministry. This is not acceptable to the students of India. It is not acceptable to anybody. The reason is Mr. Pradhan is a symbol of corruption and of what has happened to the future of India's children. He is a symbol of the destruction of the most valuable thing that this country has, which is our students and their future. And so there is going to be no conversation about Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan being moved here, moved there, put behind, forward, nothing. Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan has to be sacked, period. Second, show your leg. This young lady is injured. Yesterday, I showed you a young man who has been shot in the eye. And there are thousands and thousands of youngsters who have had lathis break their legs, lathis break their heads, pellets in their bodies. The people who have done this, the organizers and the implementers, need to be punished and made accountable. And the third thing is the leader of this entire machinery that is doing this, Mr. Narendra Modi, has to apologize for what he has done to the students and the future of this country. ये 3 non-negotiable points हैं इनके। पहला कि धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को हटाया जाए, कैबिनेट से निकाला जाए। बीजेपी के कैबिनेट में चर्चा हो रही है कि सॉल्यूशन है कि धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को दूसरी मिनिस्ट्री में डाल दो। यह किसी के लिए एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान चिन्ह है, सिंबल है, जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ